Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download HP EliteBook 725 laptop driver download. So open any browsers, try to search Google search box like that and go to this website support.hp.com. This is officially website for the download driver which is HP product. Okay, just right click to open new tab, go to this link. Okay, choose your operating system 788.1 and like that. If you are using in this system guys Windows 11, so no worry about it. You just download driver of Windows 10 64-bit and you can install it. It will 100% support it. Okay, so all driver are there, BIOS and firmware and audio chipset, keyboard, mouse. Lot of driver are available. If you guys use for the normal use, and you can install only audio chipset, keyboard, mouse, input device and network. Only 4 driver required for the basic uses. Okay, so extract audio driver, you just install the Realtek SD audio driver, click to download, minimize it, then click extract chipset. This is USB filter driver. Okay, click to download it. Okay, and keyboard, mouse like that, camera driver, mouse driver. Just I show you how to download it. Just click to download, wait few seconds, it will start automatically like that, and you come to back on this page. You can click on download, otherwise scroll down, click to download more driver. Okay, and then again required network also. So this is LAN driver, this is your Wi-Fi driver, and this is also Wi-Fi, and this is Bluetooth. So you require Bluetooth, wireless and LAN. Okay, click to download it, very easy. So like I just show you, click to download, it will start it. So it is completed, just single click and then click to yes. Next, I accept the condition, then next, it extracting and also installing. So guys, install the one by one, which is 4 drivers required for the system. Okay, thank you.